Greetings. Hope everyone is having a great day, having a very great day. So today, I want to chat actually with the youth, young man. I'm also a young man. I'm 18 years old. So let's just chat, boy to boy, man to man, or I'm still a boy. But okay, seriously, I want to talk about future now. Considering the future, firstly, which future am I talking about? Koni future a country, koni future yomuntu. I don't know where we must we start, where will we start? But let's talk about the elders first. Indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili, anisithi isiXhosa, indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. We seek guidance from those above us. But what if ke ngoku abo badala are not doing things the right way? What do I mean by that? I'm not doing things by the right way. I mean, no offense. Drinking every weekend, or even every day. Indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. But ke ngoku xa bephambili bilahlekelwe yile ndlela sawubuza kubani? I mean, I think wonke uyabona situation masiphila kanjani. Yabo, asikwazi buza kwabaphambili because now amadoda ezintsuku are not role models. I'm not talking globally, I'm talking South Africa, but in South Africa I'm talking Makasi, in the townships and the villages. There may be 2 or 3 role models, but mostly are not good role models. And Victoria, you are the product of your environment. I don't know how true is that quote by that you are the product of your environment, but I want us to have a talk about abadala. Then say good. Who shall we seek guidance from? Who? Because abadala belahlekelwe yile ndlela. You see, those abadala ukuthi xa sibajonga, they're not doing things the right way. They're eating government monies. They're not doing anything against the GBV cases, rape cases. They are being bribed. Government officials are being bribed. Kabaphezulu. Indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili. Abaphambili bathatha i-bribe bayinyokya to make a case disappear. Bayinyokya. They are Lord. Abifundisi. They are raping our own sisters. Then stand there on Sunday preaching the good word, but on Saturday night babonile in a tavern last night. Indlela sibuza kubani xa kulapho, because surely that's not their road. Ayindlela le. I don't want to sound too religious, but ke ndiyabona indlela sibuza phi. This is the book, andibona indlela, because ngoku I think while le ncwadi has so much life lesson and everything you need, but and as I'm reading, I learn a lot, and you see the man of the past. But actually can be many people don't love reading, or you're not a religious person. We should try to seek positive people or positive role models. People like Vusi Thembekwayo, I'm bringing in South Africa. Vusi Thembekwayo and Bazavani. I don't know others. I don't know. Maybe you can write in the comments who are positive male role models. And for me, I think Vusi Thembekwayo. Now when we go globally, there are people like Andrew Tate, Christian Tate, who, a lot, David Goggins. I'm thinking. When our own people have lost their way, we tend to look for lessons outside in the world, globally, because our own Africans have lost the way. The elders, not abadala. I mean, they're still abadala. But also them even the elders that are elderly, they drink their remaining lives away. So ibuzwa kubani le ngene? Ibuzwa encwadini encwele. Then you seek your role model. But before, be careful, don't be easily influenced. Mamela umuntu xa ethetha, then make the decision on your own. Don't be influenced easily to make a decision. Yabo, like umuntu angafika apha afundise uba okay, you must have sex, yabo, cansi namantombazana 10 ngemini. Yabo, mhlawumbi Chris Brown bragging about that. Now I'm landed yabo, then now ucinga it's a good thing to have sex with 10 girls in one day. Make an example, yabo. Don't be that easily influenced. Check, is it good? Does this stand with my morals and values? And it's important to have morals and values as a human being. I wanted us to have that chat.